Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Rachel. If you are new here, feel free to click that subscribe button down below. I won't be mad. Thank you for those who are returning. I am into lifestyle and motherhood. Today's video is actually going to be a review on a product that I've been using for the last month. And then there's two other products that I haven't used myself personally, but I've used it on my daughter, so I'm really excited. Mindy Mcknight launched a new product. So sorry. There's been a snowstorm and Colt's stuck in our driveway because he has a two-wheel drive car. So he's leaving. And it's standard, so he's probably going to get it stuck and blow it up one of these days.
Bye.
What?
Baby boy.
Your baby brother?
Yeah.
Novelle's still talking about how she wants baby brother in the video the other day. Anyway, I always use a moisturizing mask because my hair is very long. It's down past, like it's right to my waist, and in the back it's like past my tailbone just a little bit ways because it's shaped into a U. And I always get a hair mask. I want something that's going to make my hair feel good. Honestly, this product has given me so much hope in my hair definition and everything. I have trimmed it recently. I took off 3 inches on my own because I cut my hair at home. It doesn't look like it much anymore, but I also use coconut oil on it as well as these products too. So that could be it. I've always used coconut oil for the last like 7 or 8 years. But anyway, this first product I have is called the Masquerade Transforming Hair Mask. Now, all these products are sulfate-free, paraben-free, gluten-free, mineral oil-free, color-safe, cruelty-free, and they're vegan. The 5-in-1 treatment, and it restores and revitalizes your hair. I have been using this, like, for a month now. This is how much I have left. Like, I mean, it's getting pretty low. I mean, I'd say there's still a lot in there. I use this 2 or 3 times a week sometimes, depending. What?
I need help.
What do you need help with?
I need help.
You want your pants off?
Yeah.
You gonna put PJs on? I use it 2 to 3 times a week depending on how my hair is feeling. Sometimes I will just wait and I'll just like say, oh, I can go another day. But I've recently been using this for the last month and my hair is feeling better. It's growing quicker. My cuticles are actually completely flat and they're not up anymore. I mean, obviously my hair is not 100% healthy anymore. Getting a trim was also like a good thing for me to trim my hair. I'm obsessed with this product, so I decided to use 2 other products. And one of them I just got last night. Also, by the way, all these products are only like $7 and some odd cents. So it's like $8. They're 100% affordable. I wouldn't say they're like cheap, like a Suave shampoo or something like that. But they are on, I guess, the little bit expensive side for like a drugstore product. But they are very high quality, high-end products. So $8 is really cheap compared to what it could be, especially since it is gluten, vegan, and all that stuff free. So anyway, this one's called Out of My Hair. This is the Gentle Daily Shampoo. You can use this every single day. Again, it's all sulfate, phthalate, paraben, gluten, mineral, color safe, cruelty free, and vegan. So this one has potent ingredients that cleanses hair of impurities and excess oils without stripping it. It says, Out of My Hair is made with a unique blend of potent ingredients that cleanses hair of impurities and excess oils without stripping it. The shampoo is ultra mild, moisture rich, and perfectly safe for everyday use. So I used this last night on my daughter for the first time. And to be completely honest, at first I was like, oh my god, it smells good, because it really does smell amazing. All 3 products smell the same. Actually, I haven't smelled the other one because I just got it tonight, but it's something that I needed. But they smell amazing. They don't smell bad at all. They're actually perfume free as well. So that 100% was a plus to me because I've gone all natural in the last couple weeks. Any perfumes, products that are bad for you, because I've been using my Think Dirty app, anything that scans that it's bad for you, I just throw it away. Like, there's no sense in having it. We've gone through so many things. What are we putting on our children? What are we putting on ourselves? Like in high school, I would spritz my entire body with so much perfume. It's not safe for you guys. So if I were you, I would rethink things. Maybe get the Think Dirty app, go around your house and scan some things and see what's good and what's bad. Anyway, back to this because it's not about that. When I put it in my daughter's hair, it sucked up like a regular shampoo. but there was something more to it. There was more of like a clean smell going through her hair as I was rinsing it out. It wasn't like an oily resistance, but it was like when you put oil on your hair, like coconut oil, and you're rinsing it out, and that soft texture I was feeling, like that smile. Like I instantly smiled last night. Like I knew, I was like, oh my god, it's working. Like it did so much for her. Like it made the hair feel silky soft. I could pull my fingers through because it detangled so much. And then a lot of shampoos will smell really good at first, then you go to sleep, the next morning you wake up and it smells like, oh, like repulsive. Like you've had built up product on your scalp for weeks. That's what it normally smells like to me, and I cannot stand that smell. Her hair still, it's been 24 hours, her hair still smells so amazing and so good. And it's like she's only going to be 3. Her hair should be rejuvenated and happy and fresh, and because it's still new. Like she is still a baby. Her hair is still new, and her hair is being stripped by all these other products that are saying they are paraben and sulfate free, and they're really not, because they're using perfumes, they're using dyes in their products, they're using products that you can't take out. When Mindy made these, she would go through it, and every single time they would look at it and say, okay, well, perfume is bad. How can we make this product without the perfume but still make it smell nice? Can we use, I don't think they used in this, essential oils? Can we use something like that? Like, she wanted to make it 100% natural without lying about her products. And you know what? She did that because I am obsessed, and I'm going to use this tomorrow when it's hair day, because I am working on day 5 for hair, but I have to work in the morning, so I'm going to wash my hair in the morning just because, you know, sometimes my hair gets a little bit smelly from using shampoos that are generic or that strip my hair. So I'm definitely going to try this, and I'm sure that I'm going to be so impressed with my hair. So I absolutely like this, and this is the tree symbol that she has in all of her products. So I think she did something right. My nose is like so itchy, it's not even funny. I don't know why, but maybe I'm coming down with sickness or something. I have been getting a little bit sick though since I've switched over to like mostly all organic products, and I think it's just because my body is like not used to being so clean and happy. I don't know, like I've noticed a huge change. I've even noticed like I've lost 10 pounds in the last couple of weeks. It's been like 2 or 3 weeks since I lost 10 pounds, and I started noticing I was losing weight after I was getting rid of all the chemicals, and my body, like, I don't know, this is like for something else, but my body wanted more water, and I was taking in more water after that fact. And I think that's partially why too. That's a whole new story for you guys. If you guys want to see that video, make sure you comment down below or like this video so I know that you want to see what exactly I did to lose 10 pounds. So, but anyway, this one I just got tonight, and it's an Apple a Day ACV hair rinse. It cleanses the scalp and conditions hair without stripping. And again, it's free of like everything possible, with no perfumes, no dyes, no nothing like that. This actually has like a little tip on the top, and ooh, this smells really good. Like you can't even tell if you're like a person who doesn't like the smell of vinegar. You can't even tell it's in there. Like I can tell like there's a tiny bit of a hint, but it's not like an overpowering hint. It's like it smells like the other 2 products, but like there's a tiny hint of vinegar. This is pre-diluted. Going back to when I was a child, I used to dump, hold on, I used to dump vinegar on my head in the shower, and I was like, it's helping, it's helping. Now, in the last couple of years, I realized, you want a baby brother? She's still talking about baby brother from the other day. Oh, and a baby sister?
Yeah.
You want twins?
Yeah.
Anywho, I didn't realize I was doing bad until recently, just a couple years ago, because I would get a full bottle of vinegar, and I would put a tiny bit of water in it, and I would dump the entire thing on my head. Well, not the entire, but like more than half of it on my head every other day when I showered. I was killing my hair. Like, oh my gosh. If you are the person like me, or just in general, make sure you pick this up. It is affordable, and you can use this. All you do is you would take it. What? Okay, hold on. You would take it, of course, you would unscrew the top screw, part your hair, and kind of like work it through, part it again, work it through, and then you would just massage it into your scalp and then rinse it out after. You can use this between washes. You can use this, I don't know, wash your hair, then use it, then condition, but this is going to gently cleanse your hair without using the shampoo. If you're feeling like, oh, today's day 3, but I normally go like 7 days without washing my hair, or 6 days without washing my hair, so I don't really want to use the shampoo just because I'm in this routine. So you can use this in between, like on your 3rd or 4th day, or you know, whenever. You gotta be very careful about using it every day, though. It's not gentle use every day. I would probably use this once every week, maybe every 2 weeks, depending. Maybe in the winter, once every 2 to 3 weeks, just because it, the weather is very drying to your hair, and you wouldn't want to dry your hair out more than what you have to. But definitely get the pre-diluted stuff. Don't just get vinegar like I did, apple cider vinegar, when you were a kid or I was a kid, and dump it on your head. Not good, and I wish I never would have done that. But you know what? We're young once. We make up for it. So, but anyway, I'm going to actually try this tomorrow. Actually, I'm going to use a shampoo first, and in a couple days I'll use this, because I normally go 6 or 7 days without washing my hair, sometimes depending on what I have going on. Sometimes I'll break down like the 3rd day and wash it just because I have a meeting at work or something like that, and I want to smell good and look good. Because like I said, some products will actually leave my hair, like, have buildup on my scalp, and then it'll smell really bad sometimes. And like, if I itch my head and I just happen to like put my hand down, and later on I like itch my nose, like sometimes it smells bad, and I'm like, ew, is that from my scalp? Like, that's a lot of buildup. This will definitely help with that. And it's not embarrassing for me to like to say that, just because like it happens to everybody. It happens to the best of us. Same with dandruff and stuff. I've never had dandruff, thankfully, but I hear this will help with dandruff as well. I'm now like not a licensed professional in any kind of way. I'm just telling you guys what products have worked for me and what products I absolutely love. This is not sponsored at all. Anyway, I absolutely love the products. They're affordable, $8 at Walmart, your local Walmart. Go check it out. Pick up one. You're going to be impressed. You're going to be happy. So, anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. I have to get her ready for bed because I have to work in the morning, and it's like 9 o'clock. So, yeah. Make sure you guys subscribe if you have not done so already. Make sure you click the thumbs up button. See you guys later. God bless you. So, you got to say bye?
Yeah.
Say bye. Say bye. Bye.